The experiences we create for our customers are pretty simple. We try to give them the quality of the product that they need, the service level that we've provided for years, and we're easy to work with.
We're always evolving, we're always upgrading, and we're always looking to the future. We're never fine just in one pace, we're continuously going.
We want to continually grow our pre-finished business. That is where we excel, that is what we concentrate on. We've invested into it with the pre-finished line.
Some of the benefits of adding that Scheffler system to the Latrobe facility obviously will increase our capacity. We'll double the capacity. So, today we make 45 doors a day. With Scheffler, we'll be able to do 100 a day.
So we have 15 Prismaguard paint colors available. We have 8 Founder Series that matches our coil cladding. But we also are able to match nearly any color you could find at any paint store.
The benefits of our new pre-finish line really brings us into the next evolution of consistency and quality. The amount of product applied manually can't be controlled as like we can control now with our automated system. Our automated system will have that consistent mill thickness that's going to give you that top professional finish that you can't get anywhere else.
A goal of mine is to be able to get pre-finished units done in a week, especially on our standard colors, and to continually try to develop partnerships with the right customers in the market.
We'll see that they'll attract some of the R&R segment of the industry, because what the capability that I saw on that line and the volume that you're going to be able to pump through this facility, you'll be the leader in the market when it comes to pre-finishing, and you'll be able to do things here at Woodgrain that we haven't seen nationwide.